James Uthmeier is Florida's Attorney General. He joins us now. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. So this is kind of an interesting argument that the judge has made, this Obama-appointed judge is making. When did children suddenly attain constitutional rights?
Yeah, you're exactly right. There's longstanding legal precedent for children to be treated differently in many contexts, such as driving, drinking, accessing entertainment venues. And that's what Florida's law does here. Our state leaders very rationally wrote a law that limits the use of kids to these social media sites. Young kids, 13 and under, we don't believe they have any good opportunities to get on social media, and they're not mature enough for the dangers that are out there. We see countless number of child predators using these apps like Snapchat to get to and prey upon our kids. Older teenagers, 14, 15, 16, under the law, they can access the sites, but only with parental consent.
So one of the things that the judge wrote in his ruling was parents are best positioned to make the appropriately individualized determinations about whether and when their children should use social media platforms. Well, and I'm not an expert on the Florida bill, but my understanding of the Florida bill is that that's exactly what it does. Is if you are of a certain age, it puts the decision into the hands of parents about whether they want the youngster to sign up for social media or not.
That's right. We are a big parents' rights state. We want to give parents as much opportunity as possible to weigh in and design the upbringing of their kids the way they would like. So older teenagers, yes, they can access with parental consent once parents are given the tools, the resources to know how to monitor, track, and weigh in on what their kids are doing. And I can't say enough to scare parents at home. We have busted dozens of child predators just in the last few months that I've been on the job, who use these sites, pretend to be other people, deceive kids, and ultimately start to solicit photos, videos, and figure out where kids are located. This is a major concern, and it's why in Florida we have passed this law. We believe we're right, and we will win on appeal.
Well, we certainly do appreciate you joining us to break it all down, and we look forward to keeping in touch and seeing where this goes. Thank you, James Uthmeier.
Thank you.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.